Find or read reviews that people are talking of KOWASIS car vacuum cleaner, portable car vacuum high power 150 watts / 7500 PA. Handheld vacuum for car interior accessories cleaning with wet or dry for men / women, 16.4 feet cord. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose KOWASIS car vacuum cleaner. Below are some reasons why you should choose. A professional cleaning car vacuum care accessories portable car vacuum cleaner high power 150 watts / 7500 PA, handheld vacuum for car interior cleaning with wet or dry for men / women. This car vacuum cleaner works effectively, whether it's wet or dry dirt, or even get your cup holder. It features a 150 watt motor that comes with an aluminum alloy constructed fan. Instead of the typical plastic blades in conventional vacuum cleaners. This gives the car vacuum a fantastic suction power of up 7500 PA. It is perfect pluggable into your car's cigarette lighter port to provide your vehicle. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.